Oh, another day,
Another sleigh.
just leaving the farm again. Yeah, it was it's windy as balls last night. That easterly just kicked in and did not stop at all. So yeah, we've stalled this morning a little bit, just an hour or so to get out on the water because it's supposed to drop off middle of the day. That's the plan, but we'll be pretty close to shore, just diving a little stretch of reef that that pops along the coast there, along the beach. So yeah, we're just going to punch north and have a look up there. The whites still haven't come in. The last couple of dives I've done in the last few days have yeah, haven't seen any whites, which means they're the crays that come out from a little bit deeper and they come in to shed their shell in the warmer waters. And yeah, we haven't caught one of them yet. So yeah, it's a little bit later this season, which is a good thing. But yeah, just gonna meet Azza up at his place and get the boat sorted, talk some shit, and then we'll pop out and see if we can have a look around. Pretty good, I reckon.
I made that look awkward. Man, I cannot believe you found that.
I just seen it glittering in the fucking distance.
I've already bought another one,
I was like, hello, there it is right there. That's awesome. Is that it?
Nah, two more.
Oh.
Come on, you gotta hold the bag out. John Eskin.
Yeah, I'm sitting on it.
Oh, yeah. Here you go, just open her up. Oh shit. I saw that, but it will fit in there.
One's down here.
Nice. Lovely.
Farm life. What's going on? What's happening? You miss me? What are you up to? Really? Alright, I have to take your word for it. Been good? Now the fun part. I'll show me gear. I got the UHF fitted the Savo, this morning actually, and it's a the old GME all-in-one. It's got a little pass-through there. So just mounted it down there, and it runs off the auxiliary battery. Some people might say that's a bad choice, but I don't care. That's the way I wanted it done. Just so I can have it on when we're pulled up somewhere. We've got a little 5-watt handheld GME, and say if I'm out in the boat or whatever and on my own and a couple of K's out, I can chat to Kel or whatever pretty easy without having to worry about draining the main car battery. So yeah, it's just as long as you remember to turn it off if you're not using it for days on end. I'll have to have a look how much power it draws just being on. But yeah, got them to fit aerial on the top. It's a 6.1 dB, I think. Pretty flexible little jobbo, which is pretty cool. It's exactly what I wanted. Didn't want an aerial on the front of me car. For me, I reckon they just piss me off, but some people don't mind it, which is cool. But yeah, just going to have it up there, and we'll obviously get you a little bit higher and a bit more range maybe. So this is the first trial fit of the tinny. I've taken the front supports that used to line up with the old tinny and taken the eye bolts off, because I'm pretty sure the eye bolts will have to go right out here. So yeah, I'll leave these skid plate things on for now. Same deal, I'll probably have to get longer ones, make it a bit longer, right out to about here. So yeah, just have to see how that goes once we fit it up. And the width of these rollers should be fine as long as they're out there. We'll see how that goes. If they don't have to slide as much, I'm just going to put a cable tie or something there to stop them from moving about. But they should be pretty good, I hope. Well, give it a crack. A little bit nervous. It's like a glove.
Really?
Sweet. Oh well, I've pulled it forward as far as it'll go till it almost hits the aerial, and just put my little tabs in there, and then just gotta have to get some more of this skirting. Yeah, it'd be pretty good. Just gotta put the eye bolts in, just gonna drill them straight down here, so same as right at the back there, same as that. And yeah, it'll be good because it'll be one strap over before it gets to the flat part, and should work out pretty good. Pretty good. Today is a lovely morning. It's been foggy most of the morning, but the fog's starting to lift now, and a little bit of breeze is coming in. But yeah, they've been doing a lot of backburning the last week or so around these areas, so yeah, it's a beautiful morning. A lot better than the pounding easterly winds we've been getting the last few days. If anything else. Chooks are calling out for me. Want me to go sat low. Anyway, had myself a cuppa, peppermint tea kind of morning, and I'm going to cook myself some eggs. Might see if there's some fresh eggs. How about that, bro? Go see if there's some couple of eggs. Taking some scraps. Morning. How are we? Good? What's going on? What's happening? Did you leave me any eggs in here? Oh, there's heaps of eggs in there. I only want two. I'll grab these two. They look lovely. Thank you. Alright, let's go. Oh no, it's running to the edge. Don't go down there. Saved it. These eggs are massive. Huge.